Welcome to Doug Does Stuff. I'm Doug, and well, today we're putting together our S-scale billboard. Just like that. Looks pretty good on the layout. How do we do that? Well, let's look at what we got here. We got our billboard, our pole, our base, our catwalk. This goes underneath the catwalk, a ladder, a railing, and then 3 LEDs. We're going to be using some CA glue with activator. I'm going to be using a small little Q-tip right here to apply the glue so I have a little more control. And I have my lighter, a little bigger than a lighter. Why is that? Well, because sometimes 3D prints have little strings on them that you just got to hit really quick and burn off just like that. They also might have some supports on them. So we're just going to pop those off as well, and you'll see that a little bit got left behind, so you can get in there with something sharp like a knife and just pop them off, and they should just pop right off. Don't cut yourself, please. Don't cut yourself. All right, cool. So now that we're all ready, let's go ahead and open up our CA glue. This is, while I'm doing this, is a cool little billboard to put together, and it looks great on the layout. You could actually make it look even better, and it's just one thing. Get this cap off of here. There we go. It's one thing I'm not going to do today, but it comes with these LED lights that fit right on the top of, you know what we're going to do? Let's go ahead and put it on this one. All right, I'll show you how to do it. Stick a little activator, a little glue on there. Where can I put this that it's not going to cause a problem? Right there. Yeah, put these up here like this. And hit it with some activator. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Gotta hit it though, and voila. That's it. And then you'll have little lights for your billboard. On the back, you can see that it's got a channel that you would run your LEDs up and in. So that's pretty wild. It's pretty cool, actually. But let's put this one together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the catwalk. You're going to take this top piece. We're going to put some glue on it. I would, if I were you, load up these little channels here. I'm actually doing this a little bit backwards. I meant to put this on here, but it is what it is. All right, so we load that up, put a little bit there. And then we're going to line up the pegs. Stick the, oh God, I am not good at model building. Should just click right in there. What am I doing wrong? Oh, because I got it back. Man, it's late. Shouldn't be doing this. Anyway, get this in there. Work it in. Should come out flat. Take your activator, and I'm just going to do this right over here. Boom, boom. Once you hit it with the activator, the glue dries almost instantly and you don't have a lot of working time. All right, so now that you have that done, next thing you're going to do is you're going to move on to your center post. You know what? Yeah, we're going to work on the center post. The center post has one end is open on the channel and one end is not. Now, you're going to want this to go towards the back. So the back of the catwalk is where these 3 things are. So the first thing I would do is I would probably just make sure it fits okay in there, nice and good. I would line up your channel, know where you're going to put it. Let's put some glue in there. Let's put a bunch of glue in there. Oh my God, I am making an absolute disaster here. All right, good. Got some glue in there. Now I'm going to spray the activator on this off camera. So now I just have to make sure that this is going in to the back side, which is right there. And I want to line this up so it comes right in and goes right down. Put it on there, and voila, I did it right. Perfect, look at that. All right, next thing we want to do is put the billboard on. So again, take some glue. Hopefully you're better at this than me. I'm gonna load up this over here. I'm gonna put a little extra on these just because if you look closely, you can see that when it 3D prints, you know, sometimes it leaves lines like that. All right, a little more. Sorry, I'm just doing this a little bit off camera. There we go, and there we go. All right, so we're gonna hit this billboard. We want this to sit in here. Just like that. I'm going to do the center first. Good. Now I'm going to work to the outside one. And oh no! And finally, this side over here. You gotta hit it though, Doug. There we go. Now with that on there, cool, we're gonna go ahead and just put it in here. I'm not gonna glue this down just in case I want to twist it on the layout, whatever it might be. All right, so now we just have our basic billboard. We want to put on the ladder and then the railings. Very simple. Same idea. You're going to put in here just a little bit of glue, a dab that will do you. And if you got any tips on how to better apply glue with a steadier hand, please let me know, because I do not have a steady hand. All right, billboard. Come on, there it goes. Come on, get in there. Take out the dog hair. Man, that dog sheds. Anyway. Cool. That is that. Now you have a billboard. Now we got to put on the ladder. The ladder, I'm going to just rotate this back. There we go. The ladder, you're going to glue this top part up here and then the little pegs going down. Again, if you're better at this than I am, do you let me know, because I am not good at gluing. All right, that's there. A little glue there. Cool. I'm just going to rest this like that, right on there. Cool. Come back over here. And voila, we have our billboard. Now, the size, if you're asking, for the to slide in a card is 62 millimeters by 114 millimeters, or 2.44 inches by 4.49 inches. This will slide right in there, just like that. Really cool billboard. Looks great on the layout. If you wanted to, like I said, you could run some LEDs up the backside and into these things and then glue them up on here. As you saw over here, they would look great hanging over the side like that. Let's get these on here, seeing we got them. Put one on, may as well put the rest on. Yeah, So thank you very much. If you did this, let me know. I'd be happy to see your results and what they look like, what you put on there for whatever it might be, whether it be more New Haven stuff that I'm partial to, or, ooh, you know what? I should probably put this on, or something else. All right, thanks for watching. Good luck with it, and see you in the next one.